What's up, y'all? Happy Friday. First of all, guys, let's just admire this beautiful day in Georgia. It is amazing, just beautiful because we've been getting so much rain for the last 2 weeks. So anyway, guys, again, happy Friday. Courtney, Truman Hardwood Floor Specialist and Countertop Services. We're on our first of 2 projects today. We're out here in the Loganville, Georgia area. This is Mrs. Dunn. Mrs. Dunn reached out to me. She actually saw me on Facebook. She said, Courtney, I keep seeing all your amazing work and I want my floors and my countertops done. So she sent me pictures. She got the measurements. I never came out here to do a consultation, and I did her a proposal, and she said, let's do it. So this is the day that we're going to do it. And also after this, we are going to Flowery Branch to do a basement cleaning. Also, I never went out to go look at it. I'm gonna say, guys, probably about 65% of my jobs, they just book it based off pictures and verbal information. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, if you look at Mrs. Dunn's floors, you see a lot of little scuff marks, a lot of little scratches. Her floors are in need of a good screen and recoat. This is an engineered floor, and we're also going to be doing her countertops today as well. Here, get some more light. Also, I did book another job today in Decatur. We're going to be doing a wax removal, screen recoat, and a UV cure. And the same thing, she just booked it based off the measurements and verbal information. Now, guys, the only thing I see in these floors is this water stain that would not be able to come out. They would have to replace the boards. So we're going to be doing this whole open area, all of this, okay, coming through here. This walkway area, see all those scuff marks, all those little scratches. All right, and all through here. All right, guys, be it tomorrow's gonna go ahead and get started and get you guys some good footage. Stay tuned. We had to go back to the shop and get the arsenal. Look at all this wax coming off your floors. Just kind of stay right there and look around here.
I know I had wax.
Yeah.
I know I did.
Yes, ma'am. Look at all that wax coming off your floor.
Oh, yes, I did.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I will never do it again.
Never do it again. Yep.
Oh my God, look at that.
Look at that.
It's a whole lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you all so much for what you're doing.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, you're making me feel good now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys, about to get these countertops prepped. If you look really close, let me show you guys from an angle. You see a lot of smudges. You see a lot of water deposits on this granite. This is granite, and if you feel it, it feels really rough. You see a lot of residue. You see why I'm moving my finger? See all that residue in it? So this countertop is definitely in need of a good conditioning. See all this, guys? See all? Let me see. You probably can't see it from an angle. But yeah, we're gonna get these countertops prepped really good. Over here, again, it feels really rough. A lot of residue on them, a lot of water deposits around the sink area here. Okay. Also, we are going to do the island. We're going to move the table off and then this part right here. Yes, ma'am. Look at your floor. Yes, ma'am. Now come check this out. Come look what I. Now I want you to be the. Now do me a favor. I haven't done this countertop yet, so feel right there. See how it feels really gritty and really rough.
Yeah.
Feel right here. I haven't done this one yet. See that? See how it's all that residue?
Yeah.
Now go over there and look and feel that one.
Oh, I could just glide.
You just glide, right? Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't want to use my kitchen then.
You don't want to use it no more?
You gotta tell me what I gotta use.
Yeah, I'll show you what to keep it
I'm
maintained.
always putting stuff.
Yep.
Oh my God! Look at it!
Yep.
Look at it!
Yeah, I haven't done that yet.
Yeah,
So you feel,
yeah,
you can feel the difference.
Oh my God!
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I don't want to cook in my
And
kitchen.
look at the reflection from your blind.
Yes, you can see it so shiny.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Please.
Thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this while Tavares do the post clean on your wood floors.
Yes.
And then, yep, so give us about another 35, 45 minutes.
Yes.
And I'll wrap up with you, Miss Dunn.
Yes.
All right, guys. Look at that difference. So you either that's the thing, guys. You can feel. Never mess it up again. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at that reflection. Wow. Wow. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Floors are done. Look at that nice, how we restored that shine back to her floors. This is an engineered floor. Engineered floors do have their own protection on the floor. I did not recommend putting anything back on this floor because it does have a nice sheen to it. As you can see already, it's just all that wax that was accumulated, piling up over the years, just layers and layers and layers of wax on these floors. But you can just see how much better these floors look now. Also too, there's some water damage. There's nothing we can do about that. Also right here, like some major water damage, but nothing we can do about that. But she can replace the boards if she can find them. But most people just cover them up or just deal with it. But anyway, guys, also too, the countertops, man, guys, look at the reflection. Look at the reflection from the sink and all those items in the kitchen sink. Look at that, guys. That's just beautiful. I must say, look at the blinds. You can see the reflection from the blinds. You can't even see that as much as at first. But I'm really, really enjoying this countertop. We actually got one we're doing tomorrow. We have a screen and recoat tomorrow with UV cure and countertops. We also have a screen and recoat Monday with countertops. So yeah, guys, I'm really, really loving these countertop services. As you can see, it just, I mean, just bring these countertops back to life. All right, guys, Miss Dunn is coming down, and she is so happy with her services. Like, guys, right here before on this countertop, you see there was no light. There was really no light over here. You could see none of that when before I started. Now you can see the reflection from the plugs. That's amazing, guys. That's the proof in the pudding. And then, like,
Walking on it.
yeah, you can walk on it.
Okay.
Look at this, Miss Dawn. Remember that first?
Yeah.
You couldn't even see the reflection from those sockets. You can see the reflections now from the sockets.
God, look at it.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, a new kitchen.
Yes, ma'am. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thank you. Another happy client.
You know what my girlfriend said?
What?
This is down in Florida.
I've been to Florida a few times.
You've been down there?
Yeah,
Florida?
Mm-hmm.